Cotton Karafi. This is Cotton Karafi in Kogi State. We are swimming on the road. It is swimming on the road. Some Red Cross volunteers are marking out the road so that you don't drive into the bridge, into the river directly. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. The vehicles are turned to amphibious vehicles. This is not a joke. This is, you can see mosque on the foreground. Mosque don't cover. Christ. See people's houses. This is a one-story building. The first, the ground floor is already buried. You can see fence. You can see the lights. This is a fence. That's the gate. Oh God, this is something. This is something. Vehicles have turned amphibious, swimming on the highway. Hey, whoa. Oh boy. The bustling city of Cotton Karafi is under the river, under the waters. And this may even get worse. This may get worse. As far as the eyes can see, is water. Wow. Some public kind-hearted personnel are directing vehicles so you don't drive into the river. This is something. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. This is Kogi State. Cotton Karafi. Those vehicles are amphibious now.